Day one of 24, and I think technically this is also a 25th year of Scott Anderson design. That's kind of nuts and crazy. So we're building a pond for a client that found me last year, and he's had a pond his whole life in the different houses he's been in. He moved, and he's like, you know what? I could build it. I could do it myself. I don't have the time. And I saw what you guys do, and I want that. And I was like, all right, we'll give you that. So he is signed on for a medium pond. We're going to be putting an extended stream waterfall off to one side. We're going to be adding a spill bowl. He's going to get some plantings around it, some aquatic plants. He's got just about everything outside of, I think, lighting it. And we're going to be doing it, and I've got a lot of training because I've got two guys that have never done any of the pond stuff with us. So I've got a full crew. I'm over supersized on a crew just because I want to be able to spend a little time training and then have them go off and train with others.
Day one, here up in Centerport, Suffolk County, Long Island, New York. We are doing a fish pond.
Pond is started to be dug out. Walls that were here are being taken apart. Everyone's working on cutting our edge. We got some sprinkle lines, of course, because it wouldn't be a project without them. But we do have this giant slab in here that we unearthed. So we're going to work on trying to figure out what it is and get it out of here. Our grade has a big pitch, cross pitch in here. So we're actually going to bring this elevation over here up. So our skimmer's almost going to sit right where it is, which is crazy. It's almost out of the ground. But because the grade is so much higher over there, we're going to have to bring, if we went to this side, that would almost have like a 5-foot tall wall on it. Don't want to have that, so I'm kind of cutting the middle and coming down and coming up. So I'm going to work on getting this all cleaned out. He's getting the sprinkler line out of the way. I'm going to get that big piece of stone out. Evan's working on getting us a better edge over there. We're moving along, and Andrew's bringing in materials. He's got boulders. He's going to build a small wall on this front side. Lots happening. Pond is dug, underlayments in. Nick and I have it all prepped for them. They're over there, they're getting the liner cut. And we're about ready to get that put in the hole. So let's get this. I want to try and get some of those little bunched corners up. They just become bitches to have to work out. Uh-oh, can't see that, probably on YouTube. All right, but here's our area. Waterfall's gonna go back day. We are working ourselves. Happy, happy times. Liners in, underlayments in, holes dug. We got boulders back here. We have boulder wall in front done. We had skimmer done, but messed up when we started installing the wrong one. We had the other one here, thankfully, but now I got to get the correct biofalls. Good progress made. Pond is cut. Underlayment liner in. We have our plumbing in. That's got to get set because we swapped out for a bigger skimmer. We just did a quick lesson on how to strap boulders. So I've got two of the guys working on strapping these boulders, so we're going to set. Mike's working on bringing in a whole bunch of material. What's up, everyone? Happy Friday. How is your week ending? So, interesting week. We were doing very well, and yesterday, I'll just call it, yesterday was a shit show. I had a car crash. Yeah. 30 plus years. Lady slammed short and I slammed, and the truck is probably totaled. I am standing, sore, beat up, cut some bruises on my hand, a little swollen, but rest of the day I did not come because didn't have transportation, and I kind of like was at a loss. So I'm back at the job site. I got Nick and I working on setting. John is over there working on getting liner prepped for a seam. Guys are bringing in the last of the material, and we're going to get to work on what we need.